Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about AppCreator24, how you could start as a beginner and become a professional within period of times. Creator24 applications. You could download this application. If you check the link in the descriptions, you'll have saw it there. And for those of you using laptops, I also included another link there for laptop users. So that one is a website on Android phone. Just use the link of the application and get the application now. It's free, it's totally free without making any payment. You just have to create a new account. So this is how you just create a new account, as you can see on your screen right now. Alright guys, I've installed the AppCreator24 as you can see on the screen right now. So now we just have to click on it and register a new account. Okay, now I'll be explaining what the remaining tab here are useful for. But for now, let's click on the get started button and let me show you how it's totally work. So let's wait it for it to load. Okay, as you can see here, login or sign up. So for you that you are new here, you just have to click on the sign up button over at the top. So and if you already have an account, you could just log in. So for now, let's sign up. So but I'm going to skip this part. There's some personal information which is included here. And once you're done, it will show this tab that please confirm your email. So you have to go to your email and confirm the email sent to you. So now let's go and confirm the email. So as you can see on the email app, confirm your email. So let's click on the confirm email button. So it will take us to another tab. So okay, as you can service is bad. Let me reload. Service is bad. Okay, it's going now. Okay, as you can see, your email is already confirmed. And back to the application, you just have to log in with the email and password which we use to register. I'm skipping this part also. And after you're done filling the information, click on the sign in button. So and then wait for it to load to the next page. And okay, so now we are in. And once you're done creating your account, as already been shown that this is how you create your account. So after you're done and you verify your email, so you don't need any other steps to do. Just make sure you just stay calm, don't rush. In this video, as you can see, I'm just giving you step by step on how to be successful on this and make money on your app by showing aids on AdMobs. I'll be showing you a full tutorial about AdMob also after we're done creating our first applications. So now let's create the first application for you to see how it works. So now let's go to the tab of applications. This will be the first screen that you see when you first created your account and login. So as you can see here, it says we should create our app. Create. So now let's start creating our app by entering the name. Let me just use a random name. Let me just use tutorial because I'm making tutorial right now. So now can you see the app icon? You have to choose or select from your file. Maybe you've designed the app icon, but for now let me choose from gallery the template of the app icon here. Let me just choose from there. So let me just choose one out of this icon over here, but you could design your own and upload it. So let me just choose this. Okay, let me look for it. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, now and for the app description, you could just describe the way, what your app's based on, the type of app you're creating. So you could just, but for me, I'm just using a random word. So and there's still another tab here, language selection. So you have to choose the language which your app supported. But for me, it's English language. So there's so many languages here right now, but I'm choosing English because this my app is supported only English language. So we're clicking on next button. Okay, so now this is the style of your app. So you could choose any style you wish your apps to look like. So I'm choosing the red one, for a tutorial. You could choose any style you wish, or let's click next for now. I'm choosing the red one. Okay, now in this section, there's so many tabs over here, and I will be explaining it one by one. But for now, let's go with the first one. Okay, now let's click on the chat social network tab. So let's start with this one. I'll be treating the rest later. Okay, now it shows, do you want the app to have a chat? Sure, if you wish for it to have a chat, example, as you can see, this is the example of this chat. So you could choose yes or no, but for me, I'm choosing yes right now. So the title of this section must have a title. So let's give it a title. Let me just use a random title over here. Let me just use random user. And as you can see under it, allow access to other apps. That means all the app created using this app creator 24, all the user register to their app will be shown on your app. So your user that register in your app will access them, to chat with them. If you wish, you could allow it, and if you wish, you won't allow it. But for me, I'm allowing it. So I will be clicking on this checkbox now. So you're clicking the next button over here to proceed to the next, to the next section we should see. So let me click on the next. So in this section, can you see, do you want the app to have a user finder? Like you want this app to have a user finder where user could find other user. So if you wish it, so you could say yes and give it a title also. So I'm giving it a title. Let me just use a random title also. Let me just use social finder. So another it, you can also see share user with other apps. It's still similar with that also. So for me also, I'm still clicking on this checkbox as well again. So now let's click on this next icon. So do you want to include an user video section? So as you can see example over here, this is a user video sections which allows users to upload video to their to their profile. So I'm choosing yes and give this section a name also. So let me use latest video for now. You could choose any name you wish. So let's click on the next. So now our app is done creating, as you can see. So now you have to click on go to app manager for you to edit anything you wish to do in the app and to download the app on your mobile phone. So now let me download the app. As you can see under here, download app. This is where you have to download the apps for testing. So let's test the app first before we try to edit it or do anything in it for now. So click on this download app. As you can see over here, let me zoom it very well. So now let's click on it. Okay, as you can see over here, this app is not yet ready for download. So we have to come back. Maybe you should check again after 5 minutes. So now let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, now this is exactly 5 minutes. So now let's check it back. This is our app tutorial. So let me click on the app. No, go to the download app. Let me try again. Let's see if our app is ready for download. So now, as you can see over here, our app is ready. So click on this download icon over here. Then within some seconds, your app will start downloading. And our app has started downloading now. So let's wait for it to download finish. So our app has already download finished. So let me go and install it. Okay, I'm about to install it now. So let me just install my application now. Okay, now our app is successfully installed. So let's open it now and let's check what we just created. Let's see how it looks. Okay, our app is opening now. So okay, and you see the app icon I use. So you could change this, you could remove it, but later I will be teaching you how to do that. So can you see, please confirm your profile. You have to edit. Okay, see this thing, I'll be explaining to you how to edit this, to remove this, to add anything to it later on after we go on to this tutorial. But for now, let's keep this. And as you can see, our app has successfully created, but it's still blank right now. You can fill in this information, but it's still totally blank. And also, our app doesn't look like a professional app. As you can see, it doesn't look like a professional app. But I will explain to you how you could make this a professional app. And after you're done creating your first application, so you haven't done anything there. At least it's just a normal blank application right now. So on my next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you could design it the way you want. Actually, it can't be perfect as those of people who use Android Studio to develop their applications. Actually, you can design it the way you want when using AppCreator24 also, but it won't be perfect as those of people that use Android Studio to develop their applications. I'm going to be showing you a lot of things that you could do with this so-called thing applicator 20. You see how it works. So this is not the actually main point we are dealing with it now, but as a beginner you just have to know this first. So, and for those professionals who also have interest in my videos, you could also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for the beginners also, it's for your own benefits because you gain a lot. There's so many things I want to share with people out there. I made a little at least. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment what you thought we should talk about when we are diving into this. So-called thing, App Creator 24. So you may share your experience for those who are already professionals. So you could share your experience. I'm posting the next tutorial on Tuesday by God's grace. Just make sure that you subscribe so you could be the first to receive the notification when I drop the video. And you can message me on WhatsApp. As you can see, this is my number on the screen, and also other social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram. You can just message me directly there, so I will reply you within 24 hours. I'm always active. You could ask me question, you could share anything you wish. So guys, don't forget to subscribe as I said earlier. We see you next time.